So, Apire Santo, or Rwot Apire Santo Richard, is the chief of Atiak people. Now, he's also the acting or the interim paramount chief of the Acholi chiefdom. Apire has worked in prominent positions such as Uganda, Bank of Uganda. He has also worked with the Uganda Electricity Board. Apire yesterday, yesterday, the 27th of October 2023, was attacked by a community of people in his own home place. That is political demarcation called Atiak sub-county, which is arguably harboring the Atiak clan of the Acholi chiefdom.
What is wrong with these people?
Now, all the Acholi tribe. Now, why was Rwot Apire attacked? According to a video, Rwot Apire was attacked due to his interest in around 1,000 hectares of land from his own people or from his subjects. According to this video, the people are very angry about that. Now, it was followed by immediate attack. It was followed by an attack on Apire. Still the people and some people, hecklers, shouting that, for how long do you want to fool the people? That's how it translates in Acholi. You people want to keep on fooling people. We are tired. That's a
tika meto eka alibaba ki wien eni beretika tele ki community mo walego ni timmi eni gubet ka chiel meneno loko tum ka chiel ki lok pa president. He is also requesting.
So probably that's the reason as to why Apire was attacked. We cannot confirm, we cannot side with what the crowd has said. We cannot say no, we cannot say yes. Just informing you what is on this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video if you stay subscribed. Bye.